Hello guys, welcome to the R Programming full course by Analytics Guru. I hope you're doing good. So in this session, on this first session, we are going to teach you how to install R in your computer, the R programming software in your computer. So let's get started. Go to Google Chrome, type download R. Click on the first site that appears. This is going to be the first site. Go to the first site. And on the upper side of the left hand corner, you're gonna find this download R 4.02 for Windows. This is the latest version. Okay. If you're using a Mac OS or Linux or anything, you're gonna find other options. But for Windows, you can click this. See, the download will automatically start. Since I already have it in my system, the setup file, I'm going to stop the download. You have to download it. Download the setup file. Okay. So let me close this. See, this is the setup file which has been downloaded. Click on it and select setup language, any language you want. Next, click on next. Next. Don't try to tamper with all this, it doesn't matter. If your system is a 32-bit computer, then the 32-bit, make sure that it is ticked, the 32-bit is ticked. Or if your system is a 64-bit system, then make sure this 64-bit option is ticked. No need to change anything here. Click next. Please specify yes or no, then click next. Customize startup or accept defaults. I always accept defaults, so I don't need to customize. The customization is not required, so click on no and then next. Next, it doesn't matter what name you save it with. Create a desktop icon is always convenient, so create a desktop shortcut, then click next and it's going to start installation. Now I am cancelling it since I already have it installed in my system. Okay, you have to finish this installation process. So after you install it, the icon will look something like this. This is it. Okay, go to it and you are fine to go. You are ready to work with it. This is the R console. It's not a good practice to code here. You shouldn't code here. You should instead go to file and click new script and write all your codes in this R editor. Okay. So guys, I think this video was helpful. On the next video, we are gonna acquaint you with all the different environment of the R software, of how to write programs, how to write codes, how to execute codes, how to install and use libraries and all that stuff basically. So for now, bye bye. See you in the next session, guys. And please do like and subscribe to our channel. That is gonna help us and we are gonna create more videos and it's gonna help you. So yeah, bye bye guys.